What's up, everybody, and welcome to semirsjourney. And today I'm going to be talking to you about a car that I just purchased off of a friend that he purchased off of Copart. So pretty much I like this car, and the main reason that I bought it was there isn't a lot of damage on it. So this is a 2018 Ford Focus Hatchback SEL, and this car has 14,000 miles on it. So by just looking at the front of the car, you're able to see all the missing parts and some damage that has been done to the car. So from right now, I'm looking at there's no headlights, no bumper, no grill, and no fender on the driver's side. And my guess is, from the damage, is that something fell on top of the car. So if you look at the hood right here, it's like bent inward, and the fender support is also bent downward. So I'm guessing something fell on it, or somebody backed up into it, or like a truck or something, or like a big SUV, and then it just damaged it downward, I'm guessing. So I bought the car for $4,000, and to me it looked like a good deal. But by looking at it, all I really needed to do was purchase the headlights, the grill, the bumper, the hood, and the fender. So after looking at it, my buddy of mine said that there were parts inside of the car. So I checked all the parts, and the parts that were inside the car was the grill, the passenger side headlight, the two lower fog lights, and this piece right here where the windshield wipers are located, the big old plastic piece. And then all the little small pieces, for example the door handle and stuff like that. So after finding out all of that most of the parts were inside the car already, that made me buy the car. So I currently have $4,000 invested into this car, and my main thing is to flip it and then try to resell it for a higher value. And let me just do a quick walk around of the car. And the alloy sports rims look very good. The tires also look in good condition. There's a little bit of wear on them, but not too much. And the side skirts were also inside the car, so that's another good thing. And here's the back. And I've also noticed that it has a backup rear camera on it, so that's another plus. And here's the other side. Yeah, so both sides, the side skirts were missing, but they were inside of the car. So that's another good thing. And that's the walkthrough around the car. And let's go inside and check out the interior and dashboard. So I've cleaned the interior already, not like washed it or nothing like that, just vacuumed it to make it look decent enough to sit in and stuff. So here you go. There's no major tears in it or nothing like that. There's probably a little some paint flakes that can be washed out. And let's go inside. So here's the dashboard of the car. It is a automatic as well. So it has a touch screen navigation on it, and that's another plus right there. Also, there is a sunroof, so that's another good thing. And there's the dash. There's nothing, there's no cracks in it, nothing like that. Everything looks good. It really just needs to be wiped down from all of the dust. And yeah, and currently the battery is dead on it, so I am probably going to try to charge the battery first, and then if the battery is bad, then I will just purchase a new battery. And let's go check out the trunk of the car. Since the battery is dead, I am not able to open the trunk from the outside, so I will just show you what the inside looks like. And let me adjust the seat. Oh. All right. So here's the trunk. It looks very spacious, and also the back seats fold down, so if you have something that you want to store in here, you are able to put a good size of items inside the trunk and in the back. And it also comes with a subwoofer from Sony, so that's very good as well. And the bass on it is pretty decent. So here you go. Everything looks good. No major cracks, no tears. And let me just lift this up. So that's the Sony amp right there, and that's the wiring for it. The spare tire, a little funnel. Yeah, so everything looks good. No major tears in the interior. And let me just take a look of the ceiling for you. It's a little bit dirty, but that can be cleaned off. Let me just put these seats back. Yes, so this is just going to be a quick walk around of the car, what the car has, what it doesn't have, and what it needs to be done to the car. So I am going to be starting to fix this car, and I'm gonna keep everyone updated on what I do, and I will be doing quick little how-to videos for somebody if they have a similar car or similar problem as well. So yeah, and with all of the parts that came in the car with it, that is going to save me a ton of money and make me spend less on the other parts as well. So for me personally, I think this is a good purchase that I made, and hopefully I am able to make other good deals on other cars in the future as well. So let me just explain what I am going to be doing to this car. So the main thing is to fix this fender support, since it is bent downward. So my main goal is to lift it up and have it at least level with the other side, and hopefully it should not bother the wheel when you try to turn the car. So this is going to be my first thing that I do, and I will be doing a video on how I do it. And then the next thing is I'm going to install the radiator support for the radiator and the headlights as well. And then I will just get a new hood, then I'll buy a new bumper, and then the driver's side headlight. So those are my main purchases right there: the hood, the bumper, and the driver side headlight is my main purchase, and also the driver's side fender is. So let me show you a quick preview of the engine. So here's the engine, and from the looks of it, nothing is leaking, nothing is broken, and for me personally, this looks good. Let me show you the back of it. Yes, so I'll probably just have to find that cover for this area right here, so the wires can be covered up. And I'm pretty sure the cover is somewhere in the bottom right there, and it's hiding. So I will do that to cover these wires. So yeah, guys. So if you have a Ford Focus 2018, and if you have any advice to give me, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be happily able to take your advice and hopefully make my process of fixing this easier. So here you go. I'm going to be addressing all of the spending, what I have spent on the parts, and yeah, so to keep everybody updated on the amount that I am investing. So I will have a chart listed probably at the end of the video of all of the stuff that I need and that I don't need, and what it's going to cost me in the future. So if you think this is a good purchase, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, stay tuned for more update videos, and follow me through this journey, and hopefully we are able to make this journey awesome in the future. So yeah, so smash that subscribe button, that like button, leave feedback in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos and updates on this Ford Focus and other vehicles that I purchase in the future. Thank you, and see you on the next one.